Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon LBP 3300 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to the YouTube description. Go to the YouTube description. There are two links. First is the Mega link and second is the Google Drive link. Always go to the 64-bit because Windows 11 is 64-bit. I am going to the Mega link. You can also go to the 64-bit Google Drive link. I open the Mega link in my web browser. Click on that and it's open in your web browser. Here we find our link. Here we find download. Go to the download and here we find standard download or download as a zip. I click on the standard download. Wait for a few seconds. Is downloaded or create your zip file on your website, and after that it's download on your PC or laptop. Here we find it is downloaded now. Go to the downloads. Here we find show in a folder and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is our setup file, and this setup file is actually zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple process. Right click on it. Click on show more options. Here we find extract files. Click on the OK. And here we find newly created folder. Double click on our newly created folder. Double click on drivers. And here we find our printer drivers. Close it. Now we are going to install these drivers by our printers and scanners manually on our Windows 11 PC or laptop. That is very easy and simple process. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. And click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here we find add a printer or scanner. Here we find add a device. Click on add a device. Click on the add a device. Wait for a few seconds and new option is pop up. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add manually. Minimize it. Here we find many option. Here we find add a printer. Here we find one option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. It is a very IMP part in this installation. Click at here. And if you find any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you want. Click on the next. Here we find have a disk. Click on the have a disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. On desktop, find your folder. Double click on your folder. Double click on the driver. Double click on our driver. Here we find our file, our driver file. Select our driver file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find our printer name. Select our printer name. Click on the next. And here you find our printer name. You can give any printer name that you want. I go with the same printer name and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds. After that, here we find two options. First is the do not share this printer. Second is the network printer. If you want to share with the network printer on the network, then select this option. I don't want to share in the network, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly working or not. That is very easy to check it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners once again. Click on the printers and scanners and printer list. This is our printer list. If in a printer list, if you find your printer name Canon LBP 3300, that means your printer is properly installed in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.